how to fix mouse not working on Valorant. So if you want to fix your mouse not working on Valorant, then there are some steps. First thing you need to do, go with your Valorant shortcut and you just need to simply right click on it. For example, I'll be choosing Steam. Right click on it and here you will have run as administrator option, right? So you just need to simply go with run as administrator on your Valorant. An interface will appear which will say yes, I want to run this as an admin. Just simply click on yes and you need to run as admin. Once you run as admin, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is to update your mouse drivers. So to update, you just need to simply go with your device manager, search with device manager, and it will take you to the device manager where you just need to simply go with an option of mice and other pointing devices. And here you will have your drivers, right? And here you will have your mice, right? So you can simply choose any one of these or you can simply go with both of these. So you need to right click on it and then go with update driver and then go with the first option, which is search automatically for drivers and close. And do the same thing with the next one. So right click on it and then go with update driver and go with search automatically for drivers and then close. And this might fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply launch your Valorant. Once you've launched or the moment that you click on that, it will run, right? And once your screen turns red, like until it launches or once your screen turns red, you just need to simply move your mouse without stopping. And once you've done that, then your problem might be fixed. Or you can simply restart your device and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix mouse not working on Valorant. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.